Welcome back to KM Autos, the ultimate destination for car lovers, dreamers, and speed chasers. We're talking about a car that blends Italian art, soul, and power in one, the stunning 2025 Ferrari Roma. Ferrari has always stood for elegance, passion, and raw performance. The Roma is a tribute to La Dolce Vita, a celebration of life through a grand tour that's both modern and timeless. But the 2025 version doesn't just carry the name forward, it redefines it. Sleek, seductive, and savage under the hood, the new Roma takes everything we love about Ferraris and turns the volume up. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Ferrari Roma is breathtaking at first glance. It boasts smooth lines that flow like liquid metal. The front grille is now more integrated, giving a cleaner and sharper aesthetic. Slim matrix LED headlights slice through the air, while the aerodynamics have been revised to increase downforce without adding unnecessary aggressive elements. The car keeps its fastback silhouette but now carries more sculpted muscularity around the fenders, giving it a more dominant road presence. It's like Ferrari whispered to the wind and the wind sculpted this masterpiece. Inside the cabin, Ferrari's focus on minimalism and tech is more refined than ever. A dual cockpit layout separates driver and passenger, both enveloped in luxury. Fine Italian leather wraps the seats, dashboard, and even the inner door panels. Everything you touch feels premium, from the carbon fiber accents to the stitched steering wheel. The new Roma gets Ferrari's latest infotainment system with a 16-inch curved touchscreen and seamless integration of navigation, performance telemetry, and Apple CarPlay. There's even an optional passenger display so your co-pilot can stay engaged with speed, revs, and navigation. The magic continues under the hood. The 2025 Ferrari Roma is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that now churns out a mind-melting 720 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to Ferrari's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling lightning-fast shifts and explosive acceleration. 0 to 100 km per hour. Just 3.1 seconds. Top speed, over 325 km per hour. That's supercar performance in a suit of silk. But Ferrari hasn't just amped up power. The Roma now features an evolved side-slip control system that works with the latest version of Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer, giving drivers more confidence and thrill through corners. Whether you're cruising on the Amalfi Coast or punching it on a track, the Roma makes sure you're connected to the road at every moment. It dances through bends, roars through tunnels, and glides on straights like a true Grand Tourer should. Let's talk about customization. Ferrari knows that every Roma owner wants something unique. From classic Rosso Casa to deep metallic blues and stealthy blacks, the color options are endless. The wheels are available in multiple finishes and the brake calipers can be color matched or contrasted. Inside, you can choose from a variety of leathers, stitching, and trim elements. Ferrari also offers optional carbon fiber packages for those who want to shave weight and add a racier look. In terms of technology and convenience, the 2025 Roma is ahead of its class. Keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and advanced driver assistance systems make it a true daily drivable Ferrari. You get practicality without compromise. The front trunk is usable and even the rear seats, though small, add an element of versatility. And for those wondering about sound, don't worry. The new Roma still sings. The exhaust system has been re-engineered to produce a deeper, more emotive tone, whether you're at idle or redlining. It's less artificial, more mechanical, more Ferrari. So who is the 2025 Ferrari Roma really for? It's for those who value both performance and elegance. It's for the one who wears a tux but races at heart. It's for someone who doesn't want to scream for attention but still turns heads everywhere they go. It's subtle until it strikes. And here's what truly sets the 2025 Roma apart: it's a bridge between tradition and innovation. It pays homage to classic Ferraris of the 60s but embraces the future with hybrid readiness, next-gen digital systems, and unmatched drivability. It's art, it's speed, it's soul, all rolled into one. Let's not forget, Ferrari has also made this car more accessible, not in price, but in usability. It doesn't require you to be on a racetrack to enjoy it. Whether you're in a city street, a scenic highway, or heading for a weekend getaway, the Roma makes every journey memorable. So dear, what do you think about the 2025 Ferrari Roma? Is it the perfect blend of passion and performance? Or would you still go for the mid-engine beasts? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let the car enthusiast family know what's on your mind. Don't forget to like this video if you love Ferrari, share it with your fellow speed lovers, and subscribe to KM Autos for more heart-pounding car content. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams racing.